In the age of big data, companies and governments are increasingly using algorithms to inform hiring decisions, employee management, policing, credit scoring, insurance pricing, and many more aspects of our lives. AI systems can help us make evidence-driven, efficient decisions, but can also confront us with unjustified, discriminatory decisions, wrongly assumed to be accurate because they are made automatically and quantitatively. It is becoming evident that these technologies are consequential to people's fundamental human rights. Despite increasing attention to these urgent challenges in recent years, technical solutions are often developed without empirical study of societal context and the critical input of stakeholders impacted by the technology. On the other hand, calls for more ethically and socially aware AI often fail to provide answers for how to proceed beyond stressing the importance of transparency, explainability, and fairness. Bridging these socio-technical gaps is essential for designing algorithms and AI that address stakeholder needs consistent with human rights. Our roadmap bridges this socio-technical divide through the framework of design for values, drawing on methodologies of value-sensitive design and participatory design. Design for values refers to the explicit translation of moral and social values into context-dependent design requirements. Bringing the societal context into play is done through empirical research and proactive involvement of societal stakeholders affected by the technology throughout the design process. This calls for multidisciplinary collaboration, where social scientists, engineers, and designers work together. Design requirements can be both social and technical in nature, reflecting an interplay of human and technical processes. That includes interactions between humans and AI, but also, importantly, human-to-human interactions and organizational practices. This means entering the design process without a preconceived notion of the role AI might play in that context, but instead discovering the appropriate distribution of roles between humans and AI that empowers human rights and valuable human-to-human interactions. Designing for human rights should not be viewed as an obstacle to technical innovation. On the contrary, we believe that it is key to achieving innovative interactions between humans and AI systems in a manner that empowers human rights. That does not mean that it's an easy path to tread. Learning to communicate across disciplines, resolving value tensions between stakeholders, and recognizing that more automation and AI is not always the desired solution. However, the long-term benefits of this approach can be shared both by individuals whose dignity will be held paramount in a changing socio-technical landscape and engineers whose products will enjoy a higher level of acceptance and trust. For more, see our paper Designing for Human Rights in AI, now published in Big Data and Society. Thank you.